Today I'm gonna be cooking some chili verde, so I'm soaking my pinto beans. Got my pork. I think I'm gonna leave now I'm gonna make my garlic and sugar paste. Do this for my meat marinades, and I also do this for my beans as well. I'm gonna put about 6 or 7 2 cubes or 2 bulbs of palm sugar. The salt actually helps make the paste. But you gotta add a little salt, just so you see what it looks like. With the marinade, a little bit more salt, some chicken bouillon, garlic powder, and we're just gonna allow the meat to marinate for a couple of hours. Okay, here's my meat, all marinated and ready to go. I added a little bit of oil to this. Okay, I've added all my seasonings, including my palm sugar and garlic paste. I'm gonna add some water to this pot and allow these beans to cook for about 3 hours. And chopped up my chayote squash and bell pepper. Pork is coming along. You want to add your veggies. I'm making my chili verde sauce. I'm in this husk. I'm gonna remove them and get them all cleaned up. Garlic. We like a lot of garlic, and I've got several. Okay, now that I've got my blender all full and seasoned, I've added a little bit of oil and a little bit of vinegar. So there's our sauce. I don't want to spill it. Okay, look at that. Now I'm gonna put that in my beans. And just like that, I've got some possible leftover chili verde sauce. Okay, our beans are about done. I'm gonna be turning these off.